Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you 5 different chess tactics for every chess player should know. Let's go to the tactic 1. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is tactic 1. Okay. In 3 moves, black capture the knight. In this particular chess tactics, you can see how to black won the game, how to wrap the knight, white the black queen. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the tactics. First one, you can think logically. Now knight cross e5. Okay, you can see this knight come to e5, take the pawn. Then queen go to d4. I am going to teach you. Queen go to d2. Okay, in the same time there is attack, checkmate attack. That's why this queen easily cut this knight. We will see the first move of black. Black queen go to d4. Now there is a checkmate and attack the knight. Okay. Now black made a slow short castling. That's why easily capture the knight. Okay. You can see now this queen attack this knight. That's why easily cut the knight. Why the queen? That's it. This is tactic 1. Let's go to the tactic 2. Every chess player should know. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the tactic 2. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is tactic 2. How to black wins by checkmate in 4 moves only. First move is black chain. Black queen go to g5. Black queen go to g5. We will see g5. Now attack the pawn and knight. Why the black queen? We will see how to handle this much white knight. Now knight may come. Knight cut this like this. Knight goes f7. You can see now he take the pawn. Why the knight? Because his idea of ways he need to cut like this. This is the bad moves he did. That's why easily black won by checkmate. I am going to tell you again another moves. Okay. The second move of black queen cross g2. Okay. The third move of white. Okay. Now white need to come to rook f1. Rook come to f1 here. Okay. Now rook come to f1. Then queen cross e4 check. Totally this game black won. You can see how to black won. If black the check with bishop, then that's it. This bishop black the check with here. Then knight go to there and beautiful checkmate. We will see the fourth move of what? Black the check with bishop. Then knight go to f3 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is tactics 2. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the tactic 3. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is tactic 3. How to white win the game? Because black cut the white queen. How to black cut the white queen in this particular chess tactics. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is queen cross f5. White queen go to take the pawn. We will see this queen attack this pawn f5. That's why he take. Then rook cross e2 and beautiful check. Then there is a check. In the same time, black queen attack them, white queen. If king need to move, now, no, not move. I think the rook take the rook, yeah. Then white queen is gone. This black queen got the white queen. That's it. Okay, this is tactic 3. We can go to the tactic 4. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is tactic 4. Okay. How to white wins white checkmate in 2 moves only. I am going to teach you how to white wins white checkmate. Queen go to f8 and beautiful check. White queen go to f8. Okay, this white queen go to f5. If you need to cut like this, then rook take the rook cross f8 and beautiful check. We will see counter candle. Queen go to f8 check. Then rook take the f8. Then rook cross this rook take, I think, cross this one. Okay. We will see. Okay. First move is queen f8 check. Then wrap the rook. Queen rook. Now white rook at the black rook and beautiful checkmate. That's it. That's why this game easily been won. Okay. We can go to the tactic 5. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is tactic 5. How to checkmate in 3 moves white. Black. Black how to win by checkmate in 3 moves only. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. First move is black chain. Black knight go to e3 and beautiful check. This knight come to this knight. So black knight go to e3. There is a go to e3 and there is a check. He cannot cut like this because there is a rook. Okay, we will see. First move is black check. Black knight go to there. Then check. Now king go to g1, then white rook go to b1 and check. You can see white rook go to b1. We will see where is the b1. Okay, this rook attack here, I think. Rook b1, black rook. There's a check. Okay. Rook b1 and check. Then black the check with rook, this rook black here, okay. Then rook cross d1, that's it. Then game is over. Black won by checkmate. That's it. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye.